Here comes your pre-market summary for Monday, December 19th. Futures back in positive territory here, trying to bounce back from not only a negative session back on Friday, but a negative week for all three U.S. markets. Two in a row back to the downside, in fact, for the S&P, the NASDAQ, and the Dow. Here's how things are shaping up so far in the pre-market right now. 0.32 for the S&P, 0.2 for the Dow, the NASDAQ about 0.5%. More negativity at the bottom end there for both Bitcoin and Ethereum back in the red to start things off. Yeah, pretty ugly on the daily chart for the SPY. This is the S&P 500. We top out on Fed Day and do nothing but go straight to the downside ever since. Three in a row to end last week. We're lower ever so slightly for the most part here in the pre-market as well for the overall market. But focus now on the end of the year, really, and some rebalancing still to be done by some large institutional accounts. So we'll see if there's going to be some sort of Santa Claus rally to take over here within the next couple of days. Yeah, Tesla back to the upside this morning. Everyone probably saw this poll on Sunday, 57.5% voting in favor of him stepping down as Twitter's chief twit, as he put it. So we'll have a look at Tesla back to the upside so far this morning. Meta on watch here, downside ever so slightly in the pre-market. The EU saying they're breaking some antitrust laws. Going to look into that a little bit further. So a little bit of weakness so far in Amazon, or Meta shares, I should say. Chinese ADRs back to the upside. Remember back on Friday, there was that official announcement saying that all pretty much had passed the counting sniff test by U.S. regulators, and everything was fine to continue as far as delisting concerns were for some of the Chinese ADRs. Amazon with a price target cut and downgrade from Evercore this morning, under pressure here as well. We'll have a look at Amazon shares, still very, very weak on the daily chart, struggling basically at lows. Some of the other Chinese ADRs back in positive territory. NIO, Baidu, both looking pretty good here in the pre-market. AMC on watch as well. Yeah, a bit of a disappointing opening weekend for Avatar, missing domestic numbers ever so slightly. It was 134 versus 175 million that analysts were expecting. Grab the watch list, guys. Come join us then at 8:30. We're going to be live on a Monday heading into the Christmas break on TraderTV.Live.